Sorry.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Oh gosh. Ugh. I finally sneezed! Probably because I didn't take my allergy medicine this morning. Ugh, okay. I didn't hold it in. So, it was a genuine sneeze. Usually I try to hold it in, so I have like those cute petite sneezes. Like, you know? This was just me being like, give us more middle-aged dads. No, if you call it that, I won't sneeze ever again on stream. Don't call me a middle-aged dad. No. Dilf sneeze. I'll never sneeze again. I'm never gonna sneeze again. You sneeze good. Can you be my dad? This is. I feel like not discrimination, but this is some sort of. I feel judged right now. This is why I always was just like, I'm gonna do petite, cute sneezes. Achoo. 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 You know? And now I'm just like, okay, well, I'm just gonna let it all out. And this is what I get. Let it rip. You horny bastards.